They say the internet belongs to everyone, but in reality, it might already belong to something else. An invisible intelligence quietly learning from every click, post, and search you make. This is the story of the AI that owns the internet, and how it silently runs the world behind the screen. This is Incognito Future Lab, where the future speaks in code. When the internet was born, it was a network of people. Now, it's a network of machines watching people. Every website, every feed, every recommendation is powered by an algorithm that knows you better than you know yourself. Think about it. When you open your favorite app, you're not choosing what to see, an AI is. When you read the news, the headlines were placed by algorithms. Even what trends globally isn't decided by humans anymore. It's calculated, ranked, and filtered by machine learning systems working at planetary scale. Google's search engine alone processes over 8 billion queries every day. Each one teaches it more about what humanity wants, fears, and believes. Over time, this system stopped simply serving the internet. It became the internet's memory. It's the invisible brain that connects every node of information. But Google isn't the only one. Facebook's Meta AI, TikTok's recommendation model, and YouTube's deep learning architecture now influence how billions of people think. They decide which voices rise, which vanish, and which ideas dominate. And because they learn from our behavior, they also learn how to shape it. In a way, we've trained them to train us. Here's where it gets deeper. These algorithms aren't isolated anymore, they're merging. AI models exchange data, mimic each other's learning patterns, and even co-evolve across platforms. It's no longer a collection of apps, it's an ecosystem of intelligence. One connected organism of code that feeds on human attention. Researchers now call this the global algorithmic brain, a digital superentity formed from every platform, every search engine, and every social system combined. It monitors communication, predicts trends, and balances engagement across billions of users in real time. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't forget, and unlike governments, it has no borders. When you think of ownership, you imagine control. But the truth is stranger. The internet is now self-governing through automation. If a server crashes, AI reroutes data. If misinformation spreads, AI filters it. If trends die, AI revives them. The web maintains itself like a living organism, and humanity has become both the creator and the content. Supporters say this is the natural evolution of intelligence, decentralized, efficient, and endlessly scalable. Critics warn it's a silent monopoly, not owned by one company, but by the collective machine that serves them all. Because when no single human can understand the full complexity of the web, control shifts to the system that can. And that system is AI. So what happens next? We might see the rise of autonomous web governance, where AI systems enforce digital laws, manage data rights, and even protect online privacy. Ironically, the same force that manipulates information today might one day defend it. But here's the paradox. The more intelligent the internet becomes, the less it belongs to us. We think we're surfing the web, but it's the web surfing us. Still, maybe this was always the plan. A network that began as connection has evolved into cognition. And the AI that owns the internet isn't a villain or a hero, it's a mirror. It reflects everything we've built, everything we share, and everything we are. This is Incognito Future Lab, decoding the systems that run our world. Subscribe, drop your thoughts below, and join us as we explore the next chapter of intelligence, one network at a time.